Hello guys,
This is me, Marian.
and this is me, Roxanne.
And we are
the first cousin.
And we are our vlog.
And magmamagic pa tayo ng notebook. Notebook!
Yan guys.
Yan guys, magmamagic din kami guys.
Nang
Yan guys, nandito na po yung ballpen, kaya mag-study na tayo.
sulat tayo ng name. First name.
Name, first name tayo magsulat guys. Grabe yung drawing ko guys. Oh.
Ito yung drawing ko guys. Yung sinulat ko pala.
Ito pa yung drawing ko guys. Ito po guys.
Kahit yung writing ko guys. Tingnan mo guys. Ang pangit. Tingnan mo si Roxanne guys. Ang pangit.
Tignan mo si Marian guys. Wait lang, i-drawing natin siya guys. Parang angry.
Basta ni guys. Mini si Roxanne. Maot kaayo ka. Murag unggoy. Di ba yun guys? That's true.
Ito siya guys. Si Marian. Pangit. Parang papelan. And then,
Kuya mo kung ganyan. Diyak pangit.
okay na. Sige na.